Hi, how are you all? Very good morning. Greetings of the day. One thing that we all are very sure during this pandemic that we have learned it the harder way is that we have to be absolutely be disciplined. We have to be absolutely be disciplined. There is no second thought about it. Be it in following of the rules and regulations, be it in the following of the personal hygiene, and be it in any other food habits. We have got to be absolutely be disciplined, and we need to avoid unnecessary movement from home. Home is the safest place at this point of time, and the biggest revelation is that none can in the whole world predict as to what's in store for us tomorrow. I mean, that's how the things are. No one knows as to how long this pandemic is going to be continuing and when is the complete eradication of this particular virus is going to be announced. So at this point of time, there are people who are working class. Some of them have lost. So many of them have lost their jobs. Some of them are getting half their salaries, and a pity is for those people who have employed as entrepreneurs so many people. They have employed them, they have given them a good life, they have all along been taking care of them, they have been paying them well. But during this pandemic, it's become difficult for those private entrepreneurs and industrialists to pay their employees. Some of them have not been able to get their full pays. Every month it's an ordeal for this owner of the firm or industry to pay up the full amount to their employees or probably a part amount, whatever. And at this point of time, all those people, the men who have been employed or who have lost their jobs or who are industrialists who are paying up their people, and one thing they require is the family support. The family support is very, 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 very essential at this point of time. Particularly support from the spouse, support from the children, and if it's a joint family, support from parents. It's very essential and it's really critical at this point of time. So it's very important to make sure that the support is given by the spouses, the children, the parents at home to the employees or possibly people who are employed, who are earning so long and probably are not able to earn now, whatever it is. The support is essentially required, and this support will do a lot of good to them to bounce back and then face the pandemic and then have alternate methods of earning and probably run their families. But all they require is that smiling face from the spouse whenever she gives the service, and probably not complaining that this person has not been able to earn now, understand the situation and support unconditionally. It will do a lot of good things to the morale of the people who have so long been employed, so long been earning, but at this pandemic things have gone out of their hands and they have not been able to support the family the way they would have really wanted to support. So family's role plays a main role, and probably all those who are suffering from the pandemic, the employees and the others, they need to have a very firm mind. They have to have a bouncing back attitude. They have to think very positive. They have to keep their energy levels very high. They have to take care of, everyone for that matter has to take care of their physical health, mental health, spiritual health, and emotional health, probably with energy levels also going very high. Let's keep ourselves engaged. Let's face the pandemic together, and let's all pray to God Almighty that the pandemic gets over very soon. Thank you.